Imagine earning over $2,752 every single month just by doing what you love online. Yes, real money, directly from your phone, and it's absolutely achievable. Within the next few seconds in this video, I'll tell you how this app works, the different payment methods, and many more. This is the only application where you can earn up to $2,752 from, and the minimum withdrawal is $5.
In case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, you're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
introducing Missed Play, the revolutionary app that genuinely pays you to play games. It's a legitimate and exciting way to transform your gaming passion into a consistent income stream. Simply download Missed Play, explore new games, and start accumulating units as you play. These units convert directly into cash or gift cards. With a minimum withdrawal of just $5, you can choose from PayPal, Amazon, and many other convenient payment methods. Stop wasting time and start earning. Download Missed Play now and join thousands already making real money online.